Hello YouTubes, I'm back and I'm here to pick a lock for you today. I carry these 3 locks with me every day and I rate my locks on a scale, a numerical scale, judged on difficulty. I rate the ABUS a 1. It's cake. Think I could pick the ABUS for you here real quick? Let's see, this isn't what I'm here to pick. But let's see if I can unravel the chain. Okay, I've got the ABUS, the 6540. You've probably seen me pick it before if you follow my videos. But I'm just going to take a city rake here. Bam. ABUS. Difficulty level 1 down. Next we got the MAGNUM. The MAGNUM I rate a 3. Sometimes this thing gives me a little bit of trouble. Let's try the city rake again. I mean, probably not, but maybe. Oh, did you hear that? Did you feel that? I have a false set. I've got a false set, and I can't get my pick out. It's stuck. So, I'm probably going to lose the false set trying to remove my pick. In any case, that tells me to move on. Where's my offender at? I've got probably 1 pin offending. Is it my gatekeeper? Some of these are overset. Let's start from the beginning. Let's try Bogota. Got my false set. I wonder if I reset this. I don't remember if I reset it. Medium hook. Oh, somebody's overset. Anyway, I'm not here to pick this. This isn't why I came here. Oh, this lock is strange. Got it. Okay. So, ABUS 1, MAGNUM 3, BRINKS level 5. It's I've had this lock for a long time and I just got it today. I just got it open today. And after I got it open, I unlocked it 3 more times. So, I thought I'd make a video on this little BRINKS brass padlock. Just like every other lock in the world, it says hardened, has a hardened shackle. Want to test it? It's BRINKS. I don't think we should test it, since we know nothing, not even a scratch. But it's brass. So I spent some time today at work. I get paid to pick locks, right? Working on it, and what I found I like to do is I like to take my city rake, and I like to use a lot of tension, a lot of tension, and just work my city rake in. Hope you guys can see this. Just gotta work it in until I get my false set. This is where it gets tricky. So I got my false set, and then I want to get this guy. See how pointy it is? A really pointy hook for my cheap kit. And I just want to touch him Because after I touch them just a little bit, I get a little more to my false set. And this is where it gets touchy. Because when I get counter rotation, if I do it wrong, it just resets. So I have to be very careful. I know it's hard because of my light to see you guys, but see, I think I overset it. Okay, so I'm gonna reset it. Go back to my city rake. Make sure it's good and reset. Go back to my city rake, work it in. If it's not hard to get in, I'm not using enough tension and I don't get my full set. So okay, there, I got my full set. Oh, look at that, counter rotation. It's right on the guy. And I can't get it out. Okay, it's out, and I still have my counter rotation. So we'll try my stronger hook from my cheap set. I'm really comfortable with these cheap picks. I don't know why. They're the first set I had. I've gotten kind of used to them. I overset it. I think. Pretty sure. Play around with it a little bit. Okay, so we restart. Anyway, I carry these 3 locks around with me every day. This is my daily challenge. Sometimes I'll throw another lock in my bag that I haven't picked yet. But these are my daily challenge, and it keeps my skills sharp. Bunch of security pins in these, and well, they're just fun. They're just fun to pick. They're fun to pick locks. No counter rotation there. Overset it. You know what? Let's lube it up. Got my trusty oil can here. And I don't know if I told you guys, but I use pretty much whatever's cheap for oil. I think, and then here right now I have like 2 cycle oil. So let's grease her up. We're gonna grease her up, and we're gonna work it in. Because I want that pin to slide more easily, instead of when I get it to move, it slams all the way home. Alright. Take our wrench back. Make sure it's good and reset. I got oil on my tools. Alright, let's get our false set. Oh, look. I just got a break here and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna... try and get my false set back. It's not working now. What do you think, guys? Maybe I shouldn't have oiled it up. I had a good thing. Oh, there we are. False set. False set and pick stuck. Let's see if we can get a better light angle here. I don't know what you guys are seeing, so I'm just going to try and work this out of here. Got it out. Didn't break. And go back to my hook. Oh, that was it. I think I did it. I think I overset it again. It was easier to overset. Alright, alright. I'm gonna get this, you guys. I've not been able to rake this open. It is quite touchy. Well, that's not going to cooperate. I don't care. I'm just going to keep filming. Let's get it open. Full set. Bam. Alright. Okay. I've got a phase 2 full set. It's even more full set than full set, which means I'm very close to having this lock open. But for some reason, and there she is. Boom goes the dynamite. It's my daily practice. The dynamic trio. Total of 2 or 3 tools used there, you know. And I do this every day to keep me sharp. Working up to get back with this Corbin Russwin that I have picked only to control and not open. So I'll get this one day. I also got this Russwin here. And I seen Bosnian Bill had one of these in his shop, and he said he's never gotten it. So it looked just like this. Look at that guy. Look at that deep cut right there, man. So that's going to be fun. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this is a better video than some of my last ones. I know my skill's going up. Hang with me. I'll show you some stuff, guys. Thanks.